Here's a common issue. Someone calls you, and if you miss the initial vibration or sound, the notification just sits there, silently on your phone. If you don't look at your phone, it might take hours before you realize you missed a call. To prevent this, you'll want your phone to remind you when there's a missed call, and there's a few ways to do this. I'll show this on a Samsung Galaxy and on a Google Pixel. Two phones, two different solutions. Samsung actually has a built-in feature for this, and it works great. We'll start by going to Settings, and then tap Notifications. From the notification settings, we'll go to Advanced Settings, and from there, you'll see a toggle for Repeat Notification Alerts. We're not just going to toggle it on, we'll tap that section to view the full menu for this feature. Pretty self-explanatory. With this, you can set your phone to repeat notifications, and you can either set it up system-wide with all your apps, or you just pick one app that's going to repeat notifications. I don't want all my notifications to repeat, so I'll toggle this on, but then assign only the phone app to repeat its notifications. I can then choose the interval, how often my phone repeats the notifications. And now, the phone app will keep reminding you about missed calls at a steady interval until you notice it and dismiss the notification. If you're using a Google Pixel or another phone with stock Android, they don't have the repeat notification setting like Samsung does. The best workaround is to use a third-party app. Just go to the Play Store and search for Missed Call Reminder. There's a lot of options for different apps that do this, but my favorite is called Prof Reminder. It's a free app, widely used, and pretty easy to set up. After you download the app and launch it, it'll look like this. You can set a different profile for daytime and nighttime, allowing you to customize the notifications for each. When you're first starting to use this app, it'll first ask for permissions for notification access, which is totally fair since we're asking the app to give us notifications. So go ahead and toggle on those permissions. After that, it's all pretty straightforward. You can change the sound and choose whether you'd like reminders for missed calls, text messages, or both. You can also adjust the delay, duration, and interval for your notifications. Delay determines the time before your notification reminders start. Duration sets how long these reminders will go on, and interval sets how frequently these reminders will go off. And that's how you set missed call reminders on Android. If this video helped you, I'd love it if you click that like button. Helps me a lot. Thanks all, hope to see you in the next video.